The UT extension identifies a uTorrent partially downloaded file containing incomplete torrent download data from the uTorrent BitTorrent client. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you resume, complete, or troubleshoot these incomplete downloads. Consider this essential for your toolkit: a single program that can open hundreds of formats, including a partially broken T. My top choice is here, and we'll discuss more later. UT files are partially downloaded files created by uTorrent, a popular BitTorrent client. They contain incomplete file data being assembled from multiple peers during an active torrent download. The exclamation mark prefix indicates the file is not yet complete and ready for use. uTorrent appends the UT extension to files during download to prevent premature access to incomplete data. The client tracks which pieces have been received in its resume data and requests remaining pieces from available peers until the file is complete and renamed. The anticipated software for loading UT is uTorrent, created by BitTorrent, Inc. Windows does not offer the necessary repair tools if the file header is damaged or malicious. Windows sometimes preserves temp data until explicit cleanup occurs. We'll conduct a full scan of potential openers now. Right-click your UT file and select Open With. Test uTorrent if it appears. If it fails, select the next application. Testing eliminates application guesswork. If the UT file is still refusing to open, it's expected. The highly specific nature of the UT file means general fixes are useless. Let's quickly verify these essential items before we dive into the repair. First, resuming the download. Open uTorrent and check the download list for the associated torrent task. If the task is paused, right-click and select Resume. uTorrent will verify existing data in the UT file and request only the remaining pieces from available peers to complete the download. Next, manual completion. If the torrent has no remaining seeds and the download is nearly complete, try renaming the .ut file by removing the .ut extension. The file may be partially usable for media files. Video files may play up to the point of available data using VLC Media Player. Finally, cleaning up files. Delete .ut files for abandoned downloads by removing the torrent from uTorrent's download list with the delete.torrent and data option. If UT files remain after removal, manually delete them from the download directory to reclaim disk space. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. A helpful next step is to try a utility that attempts to bypass standard file associations by using raw-level data inspection to better identify the file's likely origin. Since the manual approaches didn't work for the file, the smart move is to use FileMagick, which provides the one-click solution you need. Available at filemagick.com. Confirm your success in the comments, hit subscribe so you don't miss any of my upcoming technical guides,